Hello, hello. Have a great day to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. My name is Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. And today, I am here at Villa Castena Subdivision. And at my back, this is the one-story single attached unit. And as you can see, different siya sa one-story duplex. Kasi yung one-story duplex is yung gitna ng kapitbahay mo is the firewall of your unit, just like this. Ayan. So as you can see, ito yung one-story duplex. 'Di ba? So sa gitna ng dalawang unit is yung firewall ng inyong bahay. Ganyan kayo ka-close ng kapitbahay ninyo. And ngayon, i-feature ko yung one-story single attached unit. Kasi I know some of us didn't know na dito sa Villa Castena Subdivision, meron pala tayong one-story single attached unit. And this is it. And as you can see, di ba, ang one-story single attached unit is ang katabi ng firewall ng unit mo is the parking area of your neighbor or your kapitbahay. So ito siya, tapos wala siyang katabi na unit. And puntahan natin. Ayan. So the design of the unit is still the same with the duplex unit. The difference is that yung kapitbahay, kasi hindi siya dikit sa bahay. This is your unit, wala kang kadikit. And advantage of this is that you have your own privacy kasi yung firewall mo is wala kang ka-share, unlike sa duplex, no? But this one, the typical lot area of this unit is again 68 square meter, and same lang yung floor area. The floor area is 27.5 square meter. Again, same design and everything, just the feature of the unit. So, puntahan natin. Let's go. Ayan, this is it. This is the parking area. Ayan. So, septic tank. Ito. Tapos, ito yung service area. Alright. So, dito, meron ding mga unit na itatayo dito. Diyan. Tsaka diyan. Alright. So, ang kaibahan pala talaga dito is yung single attached sa area na to is malalaki yung service area nila. Look at this. The service area is quite huge from the regular cut kasi may tatlong unit dito na 90 square meter yung lot area niya. And yung pinakamalaki is 94 square meter. And kung titingnan natin dito, kitang-kita natin yung Iligan Bay. Diba? So ayan, yung dyan sa dulo, yung mga unit na yan, mga duplex na yan. Alright, dito mga single attached pa din. Alright, so again, same, yung interior ng turnover unit natin is, ano siya, let's see if pwede bang ma-open. Ayan, so under construction pa siya. This is the turnover unit. Hindi pa to tapos, but basically same lang din yung turnover unit niya sa mga two-story duplex unit. Ayan, may countertop dito, lababo. Ayan. So, one toilet and bath. Right. Ayan, so ano pa? Hindi pa siya tapos. Under construction pa siya. Right. Ayos. So ito yung turnover unit natin. Mas papagandahin pa to kasi hindi pa siya natatapos. Right? By the way, yung mga one-story single attached unit, nasa block 1, block 2, at block 3 siya. And dito sa location natin, at this side, nandito tayo sa block 3. Ang kagandahan ng block 3 is malapit siya sa ito. Sa amenities na to. So, puntahan natin. So, sa block 3, this is the amenities na malapit tayo. Ayan. Ayan. At may back, ito yung tinatawag natin na conference area. So, if you are a homeowner here then, tapos magbe-birthday kayo, may mga occasion kayo with the family, and kulang yung laki ng unit ninyo, pwede nating i-held dito yung mga activities natin with the family like birthdays, mga anniversaries or any occasions na pwede nyong gawin. So pwede natin tong i-rent and gagamitin ninyo for occasions sa family, di ba? So di mo na kailangang pumunta sa mga ibang lugar just to find a place to celebrate your occasions. But in the subdivision itself, meron na tayong ganito, conference area. And aside from the basketball court, playgrounds, yung mga amenities natin is isa ito, itong conference area natin. Alright? Ayan. And dito din sa block na to, nandito din yung mga units na malalaki yung lot area. Itong area na to is maganda talaga siya. Malaki yung mga ino-offer na mga units, especially sa lot area niya. Alright? So, ikutan natin. Ayan, this is at my back. This is also one-story duplex unit and yung construction is binibilisan na talaga nila. And the advantage of Block 1, Block 2, and Block 3 is, ayan, malapit tayo sa guardhouse, which is the main entrance of the subdivision. Main entrance and exit of the subdivision. So, konti na lang yung natira. And, ayan, binibilisan na nila yung paggawa. Ikaw na lang talaga yung inaantay. See ya! Right, so ngayon, nasa loob tayo ng one-story duplex sa model house natin dito sa Villa Castena Subdivision. And nasa dining area ako. So, meron akong dalawang client na in-assist kanina in the morning and ngayon. Mga repeat clients ko yon. And hopefully, makita nila yung kagandahan ng location. Hopefully that they will gonna get a unit here. But regardless, I would like to inform everybody that itong Villa Castena Subdivision, malapit na talaga siyang maubos. Kaunti na lang yung mga one-story single attached natin. And kagandahan is that you still have a chance to get the one-story single attached na may 90 square meter na lot area. And pag naubusan kayo niyan, yung matitira na lang is yung mga 68 square meter lot area. And yung difference nila is so minimal lang talaga in terms of price. And meron pa tayo mga one-story duplex units, but tatlo na lang yung natira. Yung tatlong yun pala is RFO na siya, meaning ready for occupy. So mga previous units yun na natapos na and ikaw na lang talaga yung inaantay. So yung mga one-story single attached unit naman is ano pa siya, under construction pa siya, but you can still reserve it even though under construction pa siya. And mag-aantay ka na lang ng mga siguro 3 to 4 months para matapos siya. That's how you would get a unit here. And if you want to know more about this project, just contact us anytime. Find a real estate salesperson or broker that you know. And if you don't know somebody, you can also comment down below, message us, message me, and find Unboxing Real Estate PH para mas mag-go deeper tayo sa details ng project natin dito. And as you can see, this is a very peaceful place. So ngayon, marami pang mga nakakonstruct, but if natapos na tong subdivision na to, magiging peaceful na talaga yung buhay natin dito. Alright? So, yun lang. I hope you will watch my video, and if you have something to ask, just comment down below or message me anytime. I will just put my digits here. And basta usapang real estate, you can always ask me. And I will be happy to listen to you, to talk to you anytime. If you want to have a site visit with me, I can also assist you. And it's for free. Wala tayong babayaran na kahit piso. Alright? So for that, I hope you will gonna invest in Villa Castena Subdivision. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.